Ever wondered if you can open a joint account with your partner, friend, or family member at EverBank? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive deep into EverBank's joint account offerings, exploring their benefits, features, and everything you need to know. Why joint accounts matter. Joint accounts offer a convenient way to manage shared finances. Whether you're planning a wedding, buying a house, or simply pooling resources, a joint account can simplify your financial life. EverBank's reputation. Before we delve into the details, let's quickly discuss EverBank's reputation. Known for its online banking services and competitive rates, EverBank has a loyal customer base. But does it offer the joint account options you're looking for? The main event, EverBank's joint accounts. Joint account types. Joint tenancy. This is the most common type of joint account. In joint tenancy, all account holders have equal ownership rights. If one account holder dies, their share automatically passes to the surviving account holders. Tenancy in common. With tenancy in common, each account holder has a specific ownership interest. If one account holder dies, their share passes to their heirs, not the surviving account holders. Benefits of joint accounts at EverBank. Convenience. Managing shared finances becomes easier with a joint account. You can make deposits, withdrawals, and transfers together. Accessibility. Both account holders can access the account from anywhere, anytime, using EverBank's online and mobile banking platforms. Shared goals. A joint account can help you and your partner work towards common financial goals, such as saving for a down payment or retirement. Features and fees. Interest rates. EverBank typically offers competitive interest rates on joint savings and money market accounts. Fees. Be sure to inquire about any fees associated with opening and maintaining a joint account, such as annual fees or transaction fees. Minimum balance requirements. Some joint accounts may have minimum balance requirements to earn interest or avoid fees. Opening a joint account. Required documentation. To open a joint account, you will typically need to provide identification documents for all account holders, proof of address, and possibly additional paperwork. Application process. The application process is usually straightforward and can often be completed online. Addressing common questions. Can I open a joint account with a minor? Yes, in most cases, you can open a joint account with a minor. However, there may be specific regulations and requirements to follow. What happens if one account holder dies? The outcome depends on the type of joint tenancy. With joint tenancy, the surviving account holders automatically inherit the deceased's share. With tenancy in common, the deceased's share passes to their heirs. Can I close a joint account without the consent of the other account holder? Generally, you cannot close a joint account without the consent of the other account holder. However, there may be exceptions in certain circumstances, such as if one account holder is declared legally incompetent. Briefly summarize the main points discussed in the video, such as the types of joint accounts offered by EverBank, the benefits of joint accounts, and the factors to consider when opening one. Encourage viewers to visit EverBank's website or contact their customer service for more information or to open a joint account. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about EverBank's joint accounts or other banking products, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.